Namaste. In this video, we will learn about EViews, and this is EViews tutorial part 1. So now let's begin. In this tutorial, we will discuss about what is EViews, what is it mainly used for. Similarly, we will also learn to import data to EViews from Excel file, and we will also learn to generate series in EViews. Similarly, we will learn to transform variables in EViews. So now let's look at what is EViews. EViews is a statistical software or a package mainly used for time series data analysis. EViews has a tons of useful features required for time series analysis. This is just an introduction to EViews. So now let's move towards the EViews. I have installed EViews 9 and I'm opening it, and we need to create a new EViews work file. So let's click on it, and EViews ask us to set a start date and the end date. So for start date I will set 1974, and for end date I will set 2018, and you may set the data according to the availability of the data. And for this purpose you must have the 30 years data, and it's better to have the data of more years. And for frequency you may choose annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, and for my purpose it's annual, so I will click on OK. Our work file has been created. So now we must import our data to EViews. For that we must go to file, we must go to import from file, and I will search for my file. It's data of inflation for EViews. I will set open. Next, it's all okay. Next, finish. You may set yes or no. I will set no because I don't want to update. And now I have finally imported my data from Excel, and let's learn to create a series in EViews. For to create a series we must write a command series. Let's give a series name such as y. It's y equals to, since I don't have the data for the series, I will set 0. I'll click OK. New series has been created. It's y, and it's all 0 since I have set its value 0. If you want to edit, then you may go to edit, and you may enter the value. And you must only remember this command series. And for the transformation of our variables, suppose I want to transform ln CPI NP, then I will insert the command genr, and I will give its name. Suppose its name is log ln underscore CPI underscore NP, and I want to transform it to log ln underscore CPI underscore NP, and I'll hit enter. The new variable is created. It's the log transformation of ln CPI NP. Similarly, if you want the first difference of this variable, then let's change name to D. It's the variable name. The highlighted one is variable name that you want to create, and just write D. D means first difference, and the variable you want to transform, it's ln CPI NP. Hit enter. So this is the first difference, of ln CPI NP. And if you want to create a 1 period lag, then simply write lag or any of the name that you want to give, and here you shall write ln underscore CPI underscore NP parenthesis -1 means 1 period lag parenthesis close. So this is the lag form. You may see it. This is lag just we created. You may see it in this figure. Thank you.